Graduating high school, the excitement. You finally made it to the end. You can now do what you want. No more waking up early. No more teachers in my ear. Parents have to respect me now. I am grown. I can go out into the world and make my own choices, be my own person. My life truly starts now. Or does it? As you stand on the threshold of high school graduation, you're not just closing the chapter on one part of your life. You're stepping into a world brimming with possibilities and responsibilities. Graduating from high school marks a significant milestone, a moment when the horizon expands and the journey towards adulthood truly begins. It's a time of transition, where the lessons learned within classroom walls merge with the challenges and opportunities of the wider world. From navigating complex decisions about education and career paths to forging meaningful relationships and embracing personal values, the journey ahead is both exhilarating and daunting. As you embark on this new chapter, remember that each experience, each choice, will shape the person you become 30 years from now. So, embrace the adventure with courage, curiosity, and an open heart, for the journey of adulthood is as much about self-discovery as it is about charting your course in the world. So before you choose a career path, start making life decisions or settle down. Here are 4. Know 5 things you need to know before graduating high school. Money is a crucial aspect of adulthood that graduates should consider as they transition from high school. It encompasses various financial responsibilities, including earning, budgeting, saving, and investing. Understanding the significance of money management is essential for building a stable and secure future. In the context of graduating high school, money serves as a reminder for graduates to develop responsible financial habits early on. This includes learning how to create and stick to a budget, saving for future goals such as education or home ownership, and making informed decisions about spending and investing. Additionally, graduates should be mindful of avoiding unnecessary debt, such as credit card debt or high-interest loans, and prioritize financial literacy. By understanding the value of money and practicing prudent financial behaviors, such as living within their means and planning for the long term, graduates can lay the groundwork for financial stability and success in adulthood. Recommended books for reading: Book of Proverbs, The Richest Man in Babylon, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Secrets of the Millionaire Mindset, From Trashman to Cashman, just to name a few. Read these books to get you started on your journey to understanding money and how it works. You could reach huge financial gains by the age of 30 with careful planning and wisdom. Chastity refers to the practice of maintaining purity and integrity in one's sexual behavior and relationships. It emphasizes the importance of respecting oneself and others by upholding moral and ethical standards regarding intimacy. In the context of graduating high school and entering adulthood, chastity serves as a reminder for graduates to approach relationships with care and consideration. It encourages them to establish healthy boundaries and cultivate meaningful connections based on trust, respect, and mutual understanding. Practicing chastity involves making informed choices about intimacy, prioritizing emotional well-being, and respecting the autonomy and dignity of oneself and others. It also entails understanding the potential consequences of sexual activity, including physical, emotional, and relational aspects. By embracing the principles of chastity, graduates can navigate relationships with maturity, empathy, and integrity, fostering deeper connections and promoting their overall well-being as they transition into adulthood. Just know that the more you preserve your chasteness, the stronger you will be as you grow older. Too many partners for man or women will result in dire consequences within your mental state later down the line. Sowing your royal oats and hot girl summers will result in stronger bondages in the future when it's time to break them. In 2 Timothy 2:22, the Apostle Paul gave this strong command: "But flee youthful lusts, and pursue righteousness, faith, love, peace with those who call on the Lord out of a pure heart." And in Galatians 6:7, Do not be deceived, God is not mocked. For whatever a man sows, that he will also reap. You will have to pay for your decisions, maybe not now, but you will pay. In the words of King Solomon, "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction." Proverbs 1:7, "When wisdom enters your heart, and knowledge is pleasant to your soul, discretion will preserve you, understanding will keep you, to deliver you from the way of evil." Proverbs 2:10-12, "Never stop learning" emphasizes the importance of continuous personal and intellectual growth throughout life. It encourages graduates to approach the world with curiosity, openness, and a willingness to acquire new knowledge and skills. In the context of graduating high school and entering adulthood, "Never stop learning" serves as a reminder for graduates to embrace education as a lifelong journey. While formal education may have ended with high school, the pursuit of knowledge should remain a constant endeavor. This principle encourages graduates to seek out opportunities for learning and self-improvement, whether through further education, vocational training, professional development, or self-directed study. It emphasizes the value of staying informed about current events, exploring new interests, and challenging oneself to think critically and creatively. By adopting a mindset of lifelong learning, graduates can adapt to changing circumstances, seize new opportunities, and remain intellectually engaged and fulfilled throughout their lives. It empowers them to navigate the complexities of the modern world with confidence, resilience, and a commitment to personal growth. "Beware of people" underscores the importance of being discerning and cautious about the individuals with whom one associates. It encourages graduates to cultivate healthy relationships while also being vigilant about potential negative influences. In the context of graduating high school and entering adulthood, "beware of people" serves as a reminder for graduates to choose their friends and acquaintances wisely. It encourages them to surround themselves with supportive, genuine individuals who uplift and encourage them to be their best selves. At the same time, this principle urges graduates to be wary of individuals who may have ulterior motives or who could lead them astray. It emphasizes the importance of setting boundaries, trusting one's instincts, and prioritizing mental and emotional well-being in relationships. By being mindful of the company they keep and maintaining a healthy skepticism when necessary, graduates can navigate social interactions with greater confidence and integrity. This principle encourages them to foster meaningful connections based on mutual respect, trust, and shared values, while also protecting themselves from potential harm or negativity. Just know that in the coming years, people will be the epitome of what you will have to pay close attention to. Be aware that drugs, sex, violence, wrong choices, greed will all come about because of influences from other people. This includes marriage, business associates, friends, family, your career, religious groups, and entertainment. Your mind will be your most valuable asset, so guard your mind from outside motivations. Always remember you will pay for your consequences, not them. Proverbs 11:9. The hypocrite with his mouth destroys his neighbor, but through knowledge the righteous will be delivered. If you made it this far and you are enjoying the content, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Make sure to share this with a soon-to-be graduate and give them some wisdom you may have never got. Thank you, and let's continue. Putting God first typically refers to prioritizing one's spiritual beliefs and values above all else. For many individuals, faith plays a central role in guiding their decisions, providing comfort during challenging times, and shaping their moral compass. In the context of graduating high school and entering adulthood, God first can serve as a reminder to stay connected to one's faith amidst the various changes and decisions that come with transitioning into independence. It encourages graduates to rely on their beliefs as a source of strength, guidance, and moral grounding as they navigate the complexities of the adult world. This principle emphasizes the importance of maintaining a spiritual connection, fostering a sense of purpose, and seeking wisdom and guidance from one's faith tradition as graduates embark on their journey into adulthood. Whether through prayer, reflection, or involvement in religious communities, prioritizing God first can provide a solid foundation for navigating life's challenges and opportunities with integrity and resilience. As in the words of King Solomon, "Rejoice, O young man, in your youth, and let your heart cheer you in the days of your youth. Walk in the ways of your heart, and in the sight of your eyes. But know that for all these, God will bring you into judgment. Therefore remove sorrow from your heart, and put away evil from your flesh. For childhood and youth are vanity." Ecclesiastes 11, 9-10. As you prepare to embark on this journey into the unknown, remember that every challenge you face and every obstacle you overcome will be a stepping stone towards your growth and success. Embrace the uncertainty with courage, for it is within the unknown that you'll discover your true strength and resilience. Trust in your abilities, stay true to your values, and never underestimate the power of your dreams. As you venture forth into this exciting new chapter of your life, know that you are capable, you are resilient, and you are destined for greatness. Congratulations on your high school graduation, and may your future be filled with endless possibilities and boundless opportunities for growth and achievement. Go with God and by all means take your time.